Hi, this is Manny Garcia with DSA, and welcome to the 2024 Mountain Plumbing Products PK Guide. Here we have the decorative finish options with Mountain Plumbing. We have about 30 different ones to choose from, and it makes it really easy to match with whatever else you have going on with your kitchen design. So being able to match accessories to, let's say, the kitchen faucet or with cabinet hardware that's in there. So it makes it really easy to pair it with other stuff that you have going on with your kitchen design. Here we have the Mountain Perfect Grind Stealth Disposers. So some features that set our disposers apart from some other ones that you see in the market. It's going to be our motor, our RPMs, torque, size, grind chamber, and warranty. With our motor, we use a DC motor as opposed to an AC. So what that means is that our motor spins up and gets to full torque in a split second, basically, a lot like a food processor or a blender, as opposed to an AC motor that spins up slower, kind of like a ceiling fan. It takes more time for them to get up to their full RPMs. So we offer about 4,000 revolutions per minute with our disposer. The competition, you'll see some other disposers out there that offer a lot less. So with a slower spinning motor like that, you're not going to get as fine a chop on what you're putting down there. So things are more likely to get all chunked up, gunk up the blades in there, and then cause jamming. With our disposer, jamming is not an issue at all. With our torque, we have 35% more torque than a lot of other disposers on the market, so just more turning power. It's going to be a finer grind that you get on whatever you put down in your disposer. The size is the big one too. So with our space-saving design, it's about 41% smaller in terms of footprint that you see from a lot of other disposers on the market. That just gives you more room underneath the cabinet for more accessories, organization for, what you have under that cabinet. Our grind chamber, it's a multi-stage grind chamber on all models. So we have different stages of where our stainless steel blades are actually chopping and cutting up that stuff on top of having higher torque and more revolutions per minute. And then our warranty is a lifetime warranty on all Stealth models. Our Stealth models, as you can see, they come in 5/8 horsepower, 3/4 horsepower, and then 1 1/4 horsepower. The Stealth disposers are designed to fit in areas where space is limited. This compact unit is ideal for all kitchens, but don't let its size fool you. This disposer packs a real punch. Under the hood, you'll find an impressive high RPM permanent magnet motor that I was discussing before that reaches full torque faster for finer grinding and less energy consumption. So it turns out size does matter. Under the sink, that is. The Perfect Grind Stealth Series has more power and torque with a 41% smaller footprint under the sink compared to the leading competition. Each model measures less than 6 inches wide and with a height of between 12 and 14 and 5/8 inches depending on the model. In the image there you can see that silhouette outline. That's what you'll see with other disposers or with the competition out there. Even with comparable features to ours, we have a much slimmer package. So again, it just allows for more room under the sink and more things for organization, appliances, that kind of stuff. Here we have the stealth trap. So by orienting the disposer discharge tube toward the back of the cabinet and using a stealth trap, customers can save vital storage space underneath the kitchen sink. The stealth trap is included with every stealth disposer and it includes parts for single and double bowl installation. You can see there in the images how much room it saves you underneath the sink. Normally the P-trap, it takes up just an unnecessary amount of room underneath there. So it just gives you more room with a slimmer package on the disposer. You can have your slide outs for, all like your cleaning products or different things you keep underneath the sink, or just more room for appliances like how we have an Instahot tank and a water filter right there. Mountain offers complete kitchen sink packages. There are 8 total packages available, and you can choose from 12 of our most popular finishes. And the best part, when you order them as a package, it represents about a 10% savings compared to purchasing those items separately. So the package includes, you'll get your disposer, comes with an air switch, the stealth trap, disposer trim, and sink strainer if double bowl. So a real nice way to just have all this stuff in one clear package, one item number, very easy to order, and fantastic product for your customer to have. So just to reiterate that all Stealth models have a full lifetime warranty for your customer. The 5/8, the 3/4, and the 1 1/4 horsepower. The power cable comes factory installed, so no need to worry about that. And you have a product that you can offer to your customer that's not sold in big box retail. Something special that your showroom or your, place of business can offer to your customer that it's just not available elsewhere. So it's just something special that you can offer them that they won't be able to find, in other places. We also have a batch feed model, so it converts our disposer into a continuous feed disposer to batch feed with no rewiring needed. Dual functionality can be used as a normal strainer basket when disposer is not in use. Fully plated stainless steel strainer basket and sink flange, and it's with the Stealth 750 disposer, which is the 3/4 horsepower model. So now we get into kitchen sink accessories. So air switches, it's a pretty big one. The big thing with air switches, it makes your disposer incredibly easy to use, giving you a switch right there at where the sink is or right near the countertop, as opposed to taking a few steps over to wherever you have that switch for your disposer wired into a wall switch on the wall. So it just makes it much easier to turn your disposer on and off right there at the sink where you're working or doing your thing. Here we have some examples of our deluxe air switches. So as you can see, we have a lot of different styles, some contemporary, some traditional, different shapes like squares, rounds, things like that, just to make it easy to match with the overall design in your kitchen. They're solid brass button and flange. It's longer threaded shank and usually a better price point than what you see from other manufacturers. Or in some cases, a lot of manufacturers don't offer air switches. So just a real nice go-to to be able to, again, have a complete and unified kitchen design. We have sink strainers and matching disposer flanges. So we have traditional and classic that we're showing here. There's plenty more to choose from in the book, and you'll see some on the next slide. But it's different configurations of these things. They're upgrades compared to what you might normally find with the sink and strainer that comes with your disposer, and different configurations of it if you need something with an extended flange or you're installing on a thinner sink, all those different kinds of things. So real nice offering that we have with that. So here we're showing a couple more options that we have with our sink strainers and matching disposer flanges. We have our contemporary there. We have the version with the extended flange. We have our 3-in-1 that has the removable basket, or you could have the version without the basket. So a lot of different configurations that, depending on what your customer wants or what they need, they have options with Mountain, which is really nice. We have a very nice assortment of soap and lotion dispensers available in a lot of different styles. Our reservoir bottle is 16 ounces compared to competitors 12 ounce, so you have to fill it up less often. But when you do have to refill it, it's easily refillable from above the countertop. You just pull the top of the soap dispenser, the bottle stays in place, and you can just fill it up with your soap. And then we have a lifetime warranty on all pumps. We have a good assortment of water appliances. The one that you see here is the Little Gourmet Premium Hot Water System. It's reverse osmosis compatible. You can get up to 190 degrees of hot water instantly. 1300 watts of power, but it's very energy efficient. It uses less energy than a 40-watt light bulb, so really good there. And a 5/8 gallon tank size with a 3-year warranty. You get an extra year of warranty added when you use any Mountain Pure water filtration system that's paired with the heating tank, which is another nice little feature there. So here we have the Mountain Chill water chiller. You can get 39 to 50 degree water instantly. Really nice to have some chill water coming out of your filter faucet just for drinking or for other purposes. It's 1.5 gallons per hour with a 1/2 gallon tank size, and you get a 3-year warranty with this unit. We also have a good offering for water filtration for your home with the Mountain Pure water filtration systems. The case for the need for water filtration has been made. Homeowners regularly drink bottled water or filtered water from the fridge. Instances of lead found in potable water due to governmental negligence has grabbed headlines in Flint, Newark, Baltimore, Chicago, Milwaukee, and other places around the country over the years. Homes built prior to 1986 may have 20%, if not more, lead in their plumbing system, although lead can also be found in newer homes as well. Up until June 2014, the legal limit for lead-free pipes was up to 8%. So there's some degree of lead in people's water, and we're all aware of it. So a water filter is extremely important to have in your home setup. So lead is the big one, but our filter also removes a lot of impurities such as sediment, iron, molds, pesticides, basically all this extra stuff that's in our drinking water that we don't really want in there. So this filter is able to take care of that. We have the MT1250XL, so that's a point of use system, so that you would use with a filter faucet or point of use faucet, that kind of thing. And then we have our full flow water filtration. So that's meant to be used with your kitchen faucet itself. But whether it's your kitchen faucet or point of use, we have some kind of filtration solution that's good for your customer and good to use in their home. Mountain also has a full lineup of mini faucets that you could pair with your filter, hot tank, or water chiller with the perfect faucet to match your style and design. Here you see a nice little spread of some of the different options that we have within our Francis Anthony collection of filter faucets. So these point of use and Insta-Hot faucets are amongst the smallest available, utilizing a miniature cartridge that was designed in Europe. The Francis Anthony faucets are not just shorter, but maintain their proportions throughout the entire faucet. Knurled accents are one of the newest design features that we've added to the Francis Anthony collection of point-of-use faucets. The intricate diamond knurling adds richness and depth to the design of your faucet, and knurling accents are becoming more common in modern classic environments and urban industrial spaces. Here we have the safety valve leak detector. The purpose of this product is to be able to automatically shut off once water is detected underneath your cabinet. So if there's some issue with installation or something's malfunctioning, like one of your water appliances or something like that, it cuts off all water so it doesn't flood that cabinet and cause damage to your kitchen. So it automatically shuts off once water is detected. There's an audio alarm when the leak occurs. It operates on a 9-volt battery with a quick connect 1/4-inch adapter included for easy installations, and it's designed to be used with Mountain Plumbing Little Gourmet Hot Tank and or our Mountain Pure filtration units. Here we have the Duet finishes from Mountain. So Mountain Plumbing's Duet Finish collection highlights elements of your kitchen and bath design to give a truly balanced and unique look. This product has a more modern style, yet can match with many designs. With the Duet Finish combinations, it combines the modern matte black finish with 4 contemporary colors, gives specific details of each part stand out. These products give a truly balanced look and a touch of flair to an often forgotten element of designing a kitchen or bath. Here we have our Revive collection rain heads. So they come in 3 styles. We have a round, our square, and traditional. In the round and square, they come in a lot of different sizes, but essentially you can get them as small as 6 inches and as big as 16 inches. So a lot of range in there, a very attractive list price. It's an ultra slim design, less than 3 millimeters. It's made out of 1-piece stainless steel with a seamless construction, so you don't have like some line on the side, or it's a very clean look. Clog-free nozzles. And then it's a 1.6 gallon per minute standard, or it's 2.5 gallons per minute with the restrictor included. And it comes in chrome, brushed nickel, polished nickel, oil rub bronze, matte black, and Venetian bronze. So real nice offering, or something that you could really offer to your customer to help revive their shower. This one was new in 2023. We have the 8-inch multi-function shower head. So it's an ABS plastic construction. It's a 1/2-inch swivel ball joint for angle adjustment. Again, similar specs on the gallons per minute. And then you have 6 different functions on here. So you have a pellet, trickle, waterfall, full spray, water column, and then full spray plus water column. It's only available in chrome, brushed satin nickel, and matte black. But a really nice option to have if somebody really wants to have like a multifunction spray pattern and, get those features in their shower. So here we have the 5-inch multifunction hand shower. It features 9 functions. So you got power wash, mist, pellet, trickle, massage, waterfall, full spray, pellet and mist, and then full spray and mist. So a lot of different options there. I always like to highlight the power wash. That's a feature that's meant to really help you clean your shower. So when you're cleaning your shower and you got your tile all soaped up and you're trying to rinse everything off, instead of awkwardly trying to angle your spray head to wash off like certain parts of your shower, the power wash works effectively as like a pressure cleaner. Gets the water further out and helps you, basically clean your shower. So some really nice features to have. With the Revive collection, we also have a full suite of shower arms and accessories. So a lot of different shower arms in a few different styles. We have ones that come down from the ceiling as well. So whatever configuration you're trying to get for your shower install, odds are is that we have it. And then we have a good offering of hand showers as well. Some traditional, some modern, a couple multifunction, and then your classic just square and round modern style hand showers. So a really nice offering that you can offer to your customer. So with the Revive collection, some more accessories. We also have slide rails with the integral waterway. We have slide rails that's just a slide rail by itself for your hand shower to sit on top of. Or you can forego that and just get a regular hand shower holder, as you see there. And then we also obviously sell the hand shower hoses. So really nice offering and real complete package that you can offer to your customer. Here we're looking at the Rain Rail Plus. So this is a perfect retrofit model. There's no need to break into the wall. It ties into the existing shower arm and outlet and anchors over the tile. It's UPC approved and the components are sold individually. So what you get is the external piece there that you see, and then you pair it with whatever hand shower, shower hose, and rain head that you'd like. Here's a closer look at that Rain Rail Plus we were just talking about. So it comes in 2 different sizes. You can get it in an 18-inch spread or a 25-inch spread that you can see there, noted by that red line on the side there. It comes with a 2-way diverter, and it includes the angled hose connector. Here we have our Select Series shower drains. So a couple different trim options that we're showing here. There's some more in the book, but you basically get a 4-inch square. It's a very thin stainless steel cover that's at the top, and it includes a grid removal tool. There's also a tile inversion that you can take a 4-inch tile square and turn that into your drain. Instead of just being grouted on the sides, it drains in from the sides. And then on the right, you can kind of see the drain neck assembly. And then we have a Schluter adapter as well that allows for installation into fabric waterproofing systems. Things like Schluter, Kerdi, that sort of thing. We also have a wide assortment when it comes to angle stops. So something that's often overlooked in the bathroom, but it's really nice to be able to have at the bottom of your toilet supply line or underneath your sink, having a similar finish to what you have in the bathroom, or even a similar handle style that you have in that design. So selecting the correct stop, you just start with the stop that you want. We have quarter turn bar, quarter turn ceramic. Then you could choose angle or straight. And then for the inlet on the angle stop, it's compression, IPS, or sweat, the way that connects in there. And then it's a 3/8 inch compression outlet. In the Mountain catalog, you'll get more details individually on each product. Some only come in angle compression, like the MT521 here. But here you can kind of see like a nice closer look at that image. It's just a very premium angle stop that you have. And again, it can match with any finish that you have in the bathroom or with our huge assortment of decorative metal finishes that you saw at the beginning of the presentation. We also have a nice assortment of lav drains with or without overflow. So for whatever you need, we have a 20-hole grid, a clicker, a lift and turn, finger touch, stationary dome, flat dome Euro, teardrop, and square designs. So pretty much something that's going to go with whatever your design is in that lav. And then for the P-traps, we also have a nice assortment as well. We have P-traps, bottle traps. The MT2000-2 has a clean out. So a lot of different configurations and styles. And again, we're available in a lot of different finishes. So something that'll go well with the design that you're trying to build your customer for their bathroom. We've also got toilet tank levers. This is also a cool one. So we have toilet tank levers for Toto, Kohler, American Standard, Icera, and Accent. So in the catalog, each separate toilet tank lever will tell you which models of toilets that they're compatible with. But something that's pretty huge and pretty big, because when you're ordering your toilet, it often will just come with a polished chrome toilet tank lever. So here it's, you're given options where it's like, okay, well, I can use a matte black one because I'm using matte black in the shower or in this like bathroom setup, or champagne bronze, or whatever finish you're going with. So something that's often overlooked when it comes to the toilets, but just another add-on sale, and something that helps really complete the design for your bathroom. We have a very good offering of bath waste and overflow. So with many of our bath waste and overflow, we have something called Immerse. So Immerse is a feature that it essentially adds 2 extra inches of additional soaking room in your tub. In essence, it makes your tub deeper, fill it with more water, and you can have a higher water line in there. Another real nice option that we feature on a lot of our bath waste and overflows is Double Flex. So Double Flex, essentially what it is, it's 2 swivel joints that is going at the base of that bath waste and overflow and near the top. So depending on a couple different problem scenarios that can come up when the installation happens, this can basically help make a problem just kind of go away, or it's a problem like you won't run into. Like kind of how you see on the left hand side how the overflow pipe isn't aligned with the floor drain. You'd have to get some kind of creative plumber to figure out like a solution for that, and that's time and money and a problem spent. Whereas with Double Flex, you're able to get everything lined up, have those pipes kind of pivot in place, and avoid the problem altogether. So a lot of different scenarios that can arise from not having, perfect installation or everything, going to plan. Double Flex can make those things just kind of go away or just be non-issues. And then here we're showing some different styles of our freestanding tub exposed bath waste and overflows. So depending on the kind of tub that you're using, the manufacturer, the specs that you need, and different dimensions, we have a bunch of different models to choose from that are sure to fit, something that you need for your job. So we have 5 different models. We have the bottom outlet, the direct outlet, detached, bottom outlet extended, direct outlet extended. So the extended models will fit Victoria and Albert tubs and like a few others. And then all these bath waste and overflow kits are available in chrome, brushed nickel, polished nickel, matte black, and champagne bronze. Here we have the tub docking station. So this is a big one right here. You can kind of see in the diagram there, that's the quote unquote old way of installing a tub, or installing that drain piece into the floor. So I'll kind of go through some of the points here, but basically you need to tilt that big, heavy, expensive tub on its side so you risk damaging it. Then you got to connect the drain through the top of the tub into the brass tailpiece from the underside. So it requires lifting of an entire tub and precisely dropping it in place on the floor. So the issue is that, you wind up having at least like 2 or 3 guys on the job site just to install one tub or one thing. So you have a higher risk of damage when moving the tub multiple times when installing. It's difficult to line all these things up and, just to get that install right. And then when you've done that install, you don't know if there's a leak until after it's been installed. You'd have to remove the entire tub, replace the drain once installed. It's near impossible to snake the tub if a clog gets in the line, be it from hair or something else. And then the tub drain is not included. You still have to buy the drain for the tub itself or find one that matches tailpiece and fixtures. So that was the old way of doing it. The tub docking station way eliminates all these problems. It's an easier install. There's no need to put the tub on its side, so less risk of damaging it, and you'll need less guys on the job site to actually make this install happen. So no tilting the tub on its side. It remains upright. The roughened flange and tailpiece are mounted into the floor and not the tub itself, and the tub is simply slid into place over the drain. There's no lifting or lowering required. The drain is removable after installation without needing to uninstall the tub. That's a huge one. And then the plug top is removable to allow easy access to snake the line. So the Easy Click tub drain is included and available in multiple finishes to match features. So here's some images to show just how easy the process is, or how much easier it can be to install a freestanding tub. So the first step is to install the deck flange that goes right into the plumbing. And then step 2 is measure the distance from the bottom of the tub to the floor, and then you cut a tail piece that's included to length. Usually leave about 2 inches extra. Then the third step is where it gets easy, is where the tub is slid over the hole and you just align the drain holes. So that's where that hole, you don't have to drop it in place perfectly or line it up or all this stuff. It's very easy to slide it and align it. And then step 4, there's an included tool that we use that you put through the drain to pull the tailpiece up and create that seal underneath the tub. Then step 5, once that piece is pulled up, you can thread the trim through the drain hole and tighten with a smaller tool. So it's basically installing that drain right above into where like the plumbing connects. And then step 6 is to install the drain stopper. So overall, it's a game changer really for installers for tubs or just in general. It reduces time and money and, you know, all these other risks that we run into when installing a tub. So the tub docking station, when it comes to selling a freestanding tub, this should be on every sale for every freestanding tub. Thank you for giving me your time and attention. Again, this is Manny Garcia with DSA, and thank you for tuning in to this Mountain Plumbing Products PK Guide presentation.